Hello everyone, so today we are going to be taking a look at this. I apologise if you can hear a washing machine in the background, but yeah, we are going to be opening up this today, which is the brand new LABUBU Chrome Monster's 10th anniversary kind of dealy. And this is the box. The box is really nice. It's really heavy as well, like considering there's hardly anything in this box. So it's 1 pack per box, so you get hardly anything. 5 cards per pack, 4 chrome base, 1 chrome parallel, 1 Fanatics mag case, 1 silicone card holder and keyring. So yeah, there's not a whole bunch in here, but we'll have a look anyway, see what we get. I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous, because yeah, this is pretty cool, unique kind of product that you don't really see from Tops that often. But we will see what we get. Okay, so how does the box open? Okay, so it has a fancy opening. That's pretty cool. So let's have a look at these first. These are pretty cool. Okay, so this is the card holder. And then the MagSafe thing is not MagSafe. The magnetic case is in here to put on in your best card. But this is kind of cool. Monsters by Monsters. So we get those. It's been outside, so that's why it's kind of condensation. And then we get the pretty generic keyring. Not much to say about that, but you know. And then we get our 1 pack. Our little 1 pack of 5 cards. Okay. Let's just hope for something good. I'm going to cut it because you never know, there could be something good in here. I want to keep it as pristine as possible. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, so our first card is this one. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. The refractor on that's really nice. Okay. Then we have Monsters by Monsters. Then we have, I feel like I'm getting all the cards that I've seen like from the promo images and stuff. We'll have a look at the backs of these in a second. I feel like I've also seen this card as well. And then I'm assuming this next card is our numbered card, maybe? Is this our numbered card? I didn't see a numbered card in that lot, but let's have a look through. Maybe the numbers are on the back and I've missed them. Okay, no. If anything, it's going to be this one, right? Because it's gold. Did I get scammed? I didn't get a numbered card. I didn't get a parallel. Oh, I suppose it didn't even say that it was going to be a numbered parallel. Honestly, I didn't even get a numbered parallel, I don't think. Unless there's a number hiding on any of these. But my god. Oh god. Yeah, let me just have another quick glance at the yeah, it just says chrome parallel. It doesn't even say that they're numbered, so that's absolutely diabolical. I mean, the cards are nice. The cards are really nice, but I wish I could have got a numbered card. That would have been cool. I got the same card twice. Just one is the silver and one is the... I guess this is my parallel, right? Just a refractor. I mean, it's cool. But, yeah, I'm kind of disappointed, not gonna lie. But, yeah, that's it. That's the LABUBU Topps Chrome. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.